July 25th, 2020. I just woke up. Let's get ready for the day, I guess. Or I might go back to sleep. I'm putting this shirt on because it's a special occasion. You can see this says Tommy Strong. It's from my friend Tom O'Reilly, who unfortunately passed earlier this year to brain cancer. He is one of two friends that I've had this year who died at a young age. Not related to COVID, but that doesn't make it any more tragic. Here's Ed. He's the other guy. This morning, because of COVID, obviously we can't go to a funeral. He died a couple of weeks ago. There is a live stream funeral for him today on YouTube. It's about to get started here on the tube. Alright, well, life goes on, and here starts my day with my bicycle. Hello.
Welcome to my life.
This is Tomas. I'm at his house.
Yeah, I'm from Spain. I'm moving out actually. So.
And we usually go on adventures, and this is going to be one of the last ones because he's decided to move back to Spain.
Yeah, man. Let me show you the place. It's very big, as you can see. And I have sold almost all my furniture, so.
Oh, nice
place to see. And the views are not bad. Look on your left too. Take a look over there.
Oh wow.
Yeah. If you want to make anything famous, this is what you have to make. This is from my soccer team in Spain, Real Valladolid.
He's giving me the tour. We're outside, so I have my mask off. We're drinking Coronas, ironically, I guess.
Yeah, the age of coronavirus.
But this is the view from his roof. Manhattan Bridge.
Arriba, abajo, al centro. When you go to the centro, you
al centro.
Al centro y pa dentro.
We're here at the Statue of Liberty lineup. Castle Clinton. You can see how empty it is because there are no tourists in New York right now. We're here because Tomas is leaving.
I want to say goodbye to Miss Liberty. Last time, maybe. So.
And I probably, I mean, I'm from New York. I probably haven't been here since
20 years.
Yeah, since my uncle was visiting from the Philippines in like the 90s. So I haven't been here in probably 20 years.
The exit doors are located at the forward and aft ends of each cabin.
The National Park Service requires that there be one chaperone with every 10 children and that the group remain together at all times. Under normal conditions, the last ferry departing from Liberty Island at 5 o'clock.
We're just going to walk around, right?
Yeah, probably this is my last weekend in New York, or maybe 10 days I'm leaving, or 15 days. So one of the first things I did when I arrived to New York was saying hello to America and saying hello to the Liberty and to the statue and to the meaning of the statue. Didn't want to go back to Spain and go back to Europe without saying goodbye, or at least see you soon, see you next time. Now, probably most of New Yorkers they are tired of the touristy places.
Most New Yorkers never come here.
Yeah, they never come back. Yeah, Eric just told me I've been here like 20 years ago or whatever. But for the people who are really immigrants like me, I mean, I spent 6 years in New York. It's not a lot, but for me it's a lot of time in my life. So it really has a meaning, an important meaning, and important feelings every time you see it.
I remember in the 90s, down at the concession stand over there, I remember I was eating maybe a pretzel with my uncle and a bird shit on his head.
Sometimes in life you have to take decisions. So you can go right, or you can go left, or you can go in two different sides, and both of them are good. One is going back to your country, and the other one is stay here in New York and have a new life here as an immigrant, and the opportunity to build everything from zero, from nothing. I always tell Eric, When I arrived to New York in 2014 for the first time, I was just carrying 2 suitcases, and that was all. And it was me alone and 2 suitcases. And now, at this point, I'm leaving my apartment, but I have like everything here in New York. So you never know what is good or what's gonna happen in the future. You don't know if you are taking the good decision or the bad decision. You just have to choose, and you have to do your own path. And we will see what happens in the future, what happens in time. But you have to be satisfied with your own decision, and let's see what happens.
That's definitely more than 6 feet.
Yeah. Your mask is off.
Oh, okay, so up, yeah, and then down.
Wait, is yours on?
Back to Manhattan.
So we're back in Manhattan, and we're gonna end the day off going to one of the most New York-y, most American places. Oh, you finally got a seat. We're eating hot dogs.
It's not hot dog, it's perrito caliente. Perrito caliente. That's the real name, hot dog. This is so New York, man.
We also got cervezas.
Arriba, arriba, abajo, al centro, para adentro. What do you have in your pocket?
Oh, what do I have in my pocket? I have some coins and my bicycle line.
This is my keychain from Valladolid. That's my hometown. So this is in my heart.
How was your day today?